So we are now in the dry mill at Las Cruces for the Hasal Group. So this is where the coffee comes after it's dried, either on the tables or on the patio. So they store it here in separate stacks sorted by lots. So you can see here there are tags for each and every micro lot they produce. That clearly states what farm it is, you know, when it's dried, and all kind of traceability information.
So each lot is identified by a code. For example, here it is lot 73, and this lot 73, we know the date in the record book, the date it came into a mill, the date it came out of the Patrio or African bed, and where is it stored. Each of the lots is assigned a code, no matter how big the lot is or how small the lot is, but that's how we follow the traceability. When we are going to prepare for export, we know how to identify each lot. So after the coffee has been after 40 to 60 days in rest, with the first stage is to go through the hulling, where we remove the parchment. The capacity of this huller is 80 quintales per hour of parchment, equivalent to 800 pounds of parchment per hour. After the huller, the coffee goes up to this machine where it will sort by screen size. After the huller, the coffee arrives to a screen size. Here, depending on the preparation we are doing, we separate screen 15 and above, and also we separate the fevery by the mechanical machine. The fevery is this coffee I have in my hand that we will separate from the lot and then sell it as a fevery lot. Then the density sorter machine, where we call it Oliver machine. In here, we separate first-hand, second-hand, and third-hand coffee. The first-hand coffee will immediately go through a flow through the electronic sorter machine. The second and the third-hand coffees will go to a plug back again to this machine to resort first, second, and third-hand coffees. So here we have 3 electronic sorter machines, which are chromatic and monochromatic. The one in the first over there is better to separate color defects. These two is better to separate black defects, like broken bean or berry borders, or black defects and color defects.
From there, it will normally go to manual hand sorting, at least in the case of our coffees, like the higher qualities. And then it's bagged and shipped in containers.